Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you a little bit about a liquid lipstick that I recently ordered. It's by Smashbox, which is a pretty popular brand. They sell it at most, beauty stores or makeup stores, online, a whole bunch of places. So Smashbox, I've actually used their primer in the past and I was really happy with it. Like a makeup primer, you would put it on before your makeup, let it set in for a little bit, and then apply your makeup on top of it, and the makeup would just stay on all day long. It was awesome. So I had already tried Smashbox products and I really liked them in the past, so I decided I was going to try a liquid lipstick. I love lipsticks that stay on all day, that you don't really have to reapply, because I'm always like on the go with work and everything, so this really just is great because you could apply it once and then it stays on all day and you don't have to keep reapplying or worrying that it's going to transfer, because it literally doesn't at all. I have it on right now. I just like marked my lips on my hand and you literally can't even see it. Like, it does not come off at all. So it's really great for that. I was looking for a color that, because Smashbox has so many great colors, I stick with like pinks, and sometimes I'll do a red, like when I want to, feel liberated. I love wearing a bright red lipstick, but I was looking for like something different that would be fun to wear for the summer. So I got this Shockaholic, which is like really bold pink, very pretty color. I just thought it would look great, like, because I have to wear like all black a lot for work, and this kind of just really stands out because it's a hot pink color and it's so pretty. I really, really liked it. So with Smashbox assorted lip products, you could create bold, beautiful looks with your new color, and they're pigment loaded, and they glide on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into like wherever you have to go quicker. And the shades and finishes always vary, but I really love the Shockaholic. I think particularly, well, actually it would look good on any skin tone, but I think it might look better when you have a little bit of a tan, just because I don't know, maybe it's just me. I guess if you're like a little bit more pale, it will look good too, but I think it looks especially nice with the tan because it's like a summer color, so like the hot pink and a tan kind of go hand in hand, I think. For 8-hour power pouts, this comfortable matte liquid lipstick was created in our LA photo studio to stay put all day on set, which totally makes sense because it literally does stay on all day. The primer oil complex with jojoba, apricot, and sunflower oil. Non-feathering, wear alone or under lipstick. I just wear it alone. Precision tip lines and fills, so I just kind of like fill out my lip line a little bit with the liquid lipstick instead of using like a lip line or anything. I just don't find it necessary with this. So precision tip lines and fills really nicely. So I'm just going to open this up so you guys could see. Opens up real easily, just so you guys could see this like really pretty color. This is like the felt precision tip, so you see how it's like a little pointy in the top? That's perfect for lining your lips out a little bit. So I just used like the tip of this and just kind of like lined my lips and then filled in. Super easy, it took me less than a minute to do it. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand so you guys can see how pretty this color is. You see that? Isn't that gorgeous? It's such a pretty hot pink. Very LA. Totally makes sense that that's where it was created. I just love the color. I think it's so pretty and fun. Like, not to wear every day, but to wear to like a party. For me, I could wear it to work just when I'm wearing all black to kind of make my lips pop and like stand out a little bit. And the ingredients are all listed here. Jojoba seed oil. Hope I said that right. That I guess keeps your lips moisturized. Comes in this box. To use defined lip and precise tip and fill in with color, wipe off with oil-based remover. Yeah, so I just use it with like, I wipe it off with my regular makeup remover wipes, comes off real easily. Studio tip layer with a lighter hue and center to make lips look fuller. Oh, interesting. I'm going to have to definitely try that out. And there's 0.13 ounce floral ounces liquid, so 4 milliliter. I think that's perfect. This should last a while. I'm not going to be using this like every day. It's not going to be my everyday go-to liquid lipstick, but definitely was something I use like when I want to go out or just like want to stand out in my all black outfit. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I really hope you try Smashbox liquid lipstick in Shockaholic. Enjoy, guys, and have a great day.